Greetings to all. I'm going to do a case study on disaster management, and my topic is volcano. Volcano. Volcano refers to eruption of heat melted lava from before the surface of the earth. A volcano is an vent in an earth crust through which lava stream, ash, etc. are explained. How are they formed? When when tectonic plates collide and go through the process of the substantials, it gets the foundation for a volcano. The overlap of the tectonic plates causes the magma through breaking the crust, which is caused of volcano birth. When temperature and pressure rises, the core metals and moves through the surface and crust and releases gases and magma. Volcano eruption cause. Definition. Uh, Viscosity, the property of fluid that resists the force tending to cause the fluid to fluid to flow. Magma, melting the molten material that when within the earth crust from which ignition rock is formed. Lava, the molten fluid rock that issues from a volcano or volcanic vent. Ash, the power leads resistant residue of matter that remains after burning. Calibra, the large crater formed by a volcano explosion or by collapsion of volcanic cones. The types of volcanoes: a flat or plateau basalt and a shield volcano, conic curved volcano, compositor volcano, volcanic dome, and caliber. And the several process of mechanism of volcano. Gradual increase of temperature with increases deep as rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 32 minutes. Gases and vapors are found due to heating of vapor which arises underground through percolation as the ascent of magma forced by the vessel volume of gas and water wave. It occurs of volcano eruption. Thank you.